Hey guys, so today let's talk about a budget. At times when we hear someone akhuluma a budget, it feels like restricting yourself from enjoying imali yako or just being stingy. But what it really means, it's you being responsible for imali yako, knowing exactly what's on a monthly basis imali yako iyapi, right? And speaking of knowing exactly where your money goes on a monthly basis, today I want to share with you guys an app called the 22Seven app, which allows you to budget automatically, track your monthly expenses, and also gives you some insights around your finances because let's be honest, a lot of us don't even know where do we spend most of our money. I hope you're excited. Let's go.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Play Store. As you know, you have to download the app and search for 22Seven app. I already downloaded the app, so I'll just press open. So if you don't have the account yet, look for sign up. Then you'll just put in my details, Lana. Then you'll press sign up after the.
Okay, now you are fully registered. Let's look at how the app works and how you can use it to your advantage. But before you do that, I'd really appreciate it if you can subscribe, like the video, and share feedback. Okay, let's go.
So let's look at how the app works. What I love the most about this app is you are able to connect my accounts like savings account, investment account, so that you are able to track all of them in one space. Let me show you how you can do that. You can go here where you just link an account, then you'll just look at the accounts that you have. If you have an FNB account at bank, almost whatever, even easy equities also here, so you are also able to track my Capitec. You're able to track my investments work or easy equities. I also saw Frank, so you are able to do that in one space. Also, the most important part is you are able to like track a monthly budget yako. So if so far a budget yako, you'll know good, okay, a budget yako for this month was maybe like 2,000, then how much is it left from a budget yako to spend? The last part is you'll also get some insights good, how much are you left with, where do you spend most of your money kuleyo nyanga lolo, yeah. So then guma uncategorized, like these are the things longa categorized, because what's dope about this app also is you are able to categorize with, okay, for this month I'm going to spend like 2k good, I'm going to spend 1,000 whatever guma general purchases. Then it will show you good, okay, so far how much you have spent gule category lo yendile for le nyanga leo, right? So yeah guys, this is the app that I'm trying out right now. Also, I forgot to mention that this app is a sort of financial product by Old Mutual, so it is being managed by Old Mutual. So yeah, I think I've covered almost everything. So I'll just have the link good description, so that if you want to download the app, then you're able to access it simple, ne? So yeah, I hope you got something out of this video, guys, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a feedback. I would love to hear from you, and if you have any questions, just pop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to attend to them. See you on the next one. Thank you guys for checking in.